Alright guys, in today's video I got a 1999 Toyota Avalon and we're going to be replacing a battery. To replace a battery on this car, it's very simple guys. Alright, this car has electrical throttle body, so you don't need to worry about you losing any memory. Alright, to avoid losing like a radio station and time, all the settings the customer has, one thing you can do is save the memory. You could do the save memory in a few different ways. Either you could give it a power hit, connect the jump box. You could push in power from the cigarette lighter, from the cigarette port, just a wire that comes with the jump box. You connect it there. All right, so we're gonna take a crack at this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this little guy right here and the number 10 right there. So very simple. Remove that. And remove the number 10 here. Once you remove this, you're gonna be able to remove the hook all the way down below. All right, so all you're gonna do is push back on it, and if you need to loosen a little bit more, then loosen a little bit more, and the hook will come out. All right, just like that. Take this, put it to the side. So if I disconnect now the battery, and I will lose all power. So what I'm gonna do here is, guys, I'm gonna go inside the car. I'm gonna fire up the engine. Where's my key? All right, I'm gonna let this run. While it's running, I'm gonna disconnect this battery. Should be no issues with you disconnecting this battery, all right? So let me set up my camera and we'll do this together. All right guys, so we'll take number 10 off right here and number 10 right here. Once it's loose, you can take the negative off. Make sure the positive does not hit anywhere on the body because it will short the circuit, all right? Take the battery out. All right, these terminals, I cleaned them before because customers was having issue. So they're very good, all right? Make sure you clean these. But once you have it cleaned, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your battery and make sure you have the positive, this positive here and negative here. Positive goes on the red. All right, and after that, you can connect negative first and then positive, and if you have the battery in. All right, make sure it sits well on the tray. And after that, lock down the bolts. There we have it, guys. And don't forget to put the bracket holder, battery holder down. So this side has a hook, it goes in there and grabs it. All right, I'm gonna need my light. So very simple, I take this guy. I got the hook there. And once you have the hook, you can tighten this little bit so it doesn't move around, right? And then you can take this guy here, put the number 10 in. Alright guys, that's it. Alright, we're done. And you don't need to do anything else. You can turn the car off and start the car off and it should be good, guys. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like all of my videos. Bye bye.